This is Bill and Susan. They're a lot like you. Between work, kids, and keeping up the house, Bill and Susan are busy people. That's why they call us. We send a technician who's had a full background check and drug test. He arrives on time, gives a guaranteed price before work begins, and completes the work right the first time. Susan likes the fact that we're a family-owned business as part of the community, so she can trust us. Bill likes that we save money through the buying power of the Service Nation Alliance, a national contractor best practices and buying group. Since we pass the savings along to the customers, Bill is assured of a fair price. You'll like us too. Give us a call.